Hey everybody, what's up? This is Kendra coming to share with you the Tuesday morning finds for this week. Sorry, I am filming this at nighttime. Have a very busy schedule this weekend, so I know I won't have a chance headed out of town to Dallas for a basketball tournament. So yeah, these crazy tournament people scheduled first game on Thursday. Like folks don't work, but you know. Anything for King D, right? So let me just jump right into this because I have a lot of things to get done tonight. First thing I want to show, a lot of our memory keepers, crafting tools. These are just some detail scissors. Probably, I don't really need these, but to have a spare, they're probably really good. $1.99. Next, a bunch of different boards on Tuesday morning. I picked up this 3-in-1. It was $16.99. I do have an envelope board. I do have this box board. I do have several box dies, but I figure if I'm going somewhere like this weekend is a perfect example. I'm going out of town, 4 days going to be gone, right? Some days I may get a chance to make something real quick. Instead of bringing all 3 boards, I can just bring this one board. So that was my idea with this one. I even thought about giving away my other boards and just use this one, but I don't know if I'm ready for that yet, but that's a good find. Let me also share, if you're not following me on Instagram, which you should be, there are also the alphabet punch boards, the large one and the mini alphabet punch board. There's all kind of paper trimmers with the different decorative edges and all that kind of stuff. I have it all posted on my Instagram page, so you can go over there and take a look. 504 Pretty Things. Next, I found this huge bone folder. And if I'm not mistaken, this is kind of like a new item coming out because I saw this in Joann's for $10 and I was going to get it with a coupon. So it's actually the same price in Tuesday morning. So good for those larger projects. And I'm just picking stuff at random, and I don't have this open. Here's the number to this 6x6 pad I picked up. It's called So Lovely. And I'm going to do the best that I can sharing these pages. But you know, rushing, trying to get this video out. I don't think this is going to work, guys. It's by Cardstock. I don't know. I might have to just bust on this one. Yeah, this is an epic fail. But here are the patterns. If you look at it close up, they're very pretty. Here are all the patterns. I love the one with the spools. Next, shared this one on my Instagram page, but the My Mind's Eye, keep your eyes out for these guys. These 6x6 pads by My Mind's Eye are $1.49. Double-sided pages, and these pages are gorgeous. Some of them are treated, as you can see, but look at this. I was so excited to find these. I was like, oh my gosh. Y'all know last year, Tuesday morning, like cut up with the Christmas 6x6 paper pads, I probably could fit a complete shelf with just Christmas. But I found a wonderful place to donate a lot of stuff to, so I'm really excited about that. A local library that was flooded by Hurricane Harvey. A lady reached out to me. She does crafting classes, so I am going to donate a lot of stuff to them. I always buy these mailer boxes. Never saw the black kind, so it's not even new. It's from March, but you get 2 in there for $2.49. Thought that was really cute. Okay, so random items. Let me see if I put it down, and maybe I won't have a glare. So $1.49, here's a number for this. These are just different multicolored paper clips. You get different sizes in there. And there was also a blue pack with the same pretty colors. Next, picked up this pack of tags. This is from March, but $1.49. And here are all the patterns in there. Really cute, and they have pockets. Let's see. Next, really excited for these. I have been on a hunt to find these things again. You all have probably seen this, but I really wanted this yellow color. It's called Lemonade. It's focusing on the wrong thing. Really wish I can find that rose gold color. If anybody, I don't know the name of the color, but if anybody find that rose gold color, I would definitely pay for that. It's like a pink color, and these are very opaque. I shared on my Instagram, I did a swatch of the blue one. They are not transparent at all. They're very opaque, very beautiful colors. Next, I shared some of the seed beads that Tuesday Morning got in last week on my page, but they only had the purple color and then some neutral colors. This week, I found a red color, perfect for Christmas. Shishi Crafts, I know you like these for your flower center, so be on the lookout for some burgundy colors. Let's see. Let's jump into these stamps. Found some journaling cards. These were only 99 cents. So I thought these were, don't even give you a picture, but it says you get 24 in there. I thought that was cool. Found this one stamp. These are the stamps that are in Hobby Lobby on the end caps. So they are coming to Tuesday Morning, 99 cents, amazing price. These have been in there for a while. I think these were originally priced at $3.99, so I found one for $1.99. I may have this. If I do, then you will see it later. Found this stamp set by Richard Gray for $4.99, stamp and die set. Had passed on this originally when I posted it on my Instagram, and then went back on a different trip and decided to pick it up. That's my, you know, when you put these back in, you can change up the patterns, and I thought it would make a really cute, fun card. I picked up 2 of those. Passed on this also. Y'all know how it goes. You see something, you be like, oh, I'm not getting that. And then you go back later and be like, oh, I'm going to get that. Like, just total buffoonery, no discipline. No discipline at all. Paper clips. Picked up this yellow set for $1.99. Next, this is a really cool find. These are just some magnets. They're pretty purple color. But it looks like it goes on. It can go on a paper craft as a brad. Like if everybody's doing those paper purses and things like that, which I have a die coming from AliExpress. Because I am not about that $80 bundle package life, nor $50. So yeah, so AliExpress have the purse die for like $11 and something. So I ordered that. I'm waiting on that to come in. But this will be fun to put on there. A magnet closure for 99 cents. Next, picked up some stickers. These are just alpha stickers in a pretty brown color. You get quite a few in here, 112 pieces for $1.49. That's nothing new to Tuesday Morning. Found this ephemera pack. It's a Valentine's Day surprise. Valentine's Day stuff is popping up in July, but you know, it is what it is. This doesn't have to be used for Valentine's Day. It's just very pretty. Really excited about these. I saw these on somebody's channel a long time ago. Totally forgot about it because I think I called the product line and they weren't in my area. So I went to a different location. King D is taking driving classes, and it's like in a different part of town. So I went to Tuesday Morning over there, and they had those. So I was really excited about that. I've been sharing the ephemera packs. Everybody's been sharing the ephemera packs. This one is a travel theme one. So go see Explore. Really excited about that. Bought it mainly for the cruise. You know, we do cruises all the time. Got another one planned for next year, Lord Jesus. Like, my family love doggone cruises. King D love cruises. It is the best bang for your buck. Let me tell you that. If you've never been on a cruise, I highly recommend it. Especially for families. You pay one price. You really don't have to spend any more money unless you just want to. But you can have tons of fun on the ship. Tons of food on the ship. Everything without breaking the bank. So yeah, just something to think about. They're really fun. Here are some brads I found for $1.99. The kids love it because it make them feel like adults. Like they could just run around and be free. They have little clubs for the kids. So, you know, you can drop the kids off in their little designated areas and don't even have to worry about them. Found these wood veneers. Not wood veneers, wood stickers. Love that bow one. Of course, I'm going to paint these. Use your little Ranger Dauber inks that we all bought from Tuesday Morning for like 99 cents or $1.49 to color those. Next, I shared some of these long time ago, but I found a gold and silver pack. Not sure if I have this, but you get 6 sheets of this for $1.49. Really excited about this. Let's cruise. Let's cruise. Yeah, let's cruise. I thought it said cruising. Let's cruise. How perfect. I was just talking about that, right? So y'all know why I bought these, to finish up some things that I have not done. Started. You know how it goes. We start, but we don't finish. Another pack of ephemera. This is nothing new. This is a repeat in Tuesday Morning, making its way back around. Some of the pieces are acetate, which is really cool. This is kind of a non-craft item. It's $1.99, but it's just a pouch. It's like a zipper pouch. One side have the pretty butterflies with the gold accents on it, and it's in this plastic bag. And then the other side have pretty pink florals on it. Really cute. Really, really cute. So now, what you all have been wanting to see, sharing the fall and Halloween items at Tuesday Morning. Here are some brads for fall. Those are really cute. Here's a pack of stickers. I think my friend is sending me some of this stuff, but I wanted to get duplicates of a couple things. These wood veneer pieces are $1.99, and they are wood theme. Again, you can paint these, and they would be so cute. Or you can leave them as is. Next, a pack of bows. Us paper crafters with dies and all that, we have no business buying bows and stuff like this. You know, we really have no business buying bows, but we do. Pack of fabric. I thought this was cute for fall theme projects for $2.99. Here are all the different fabrics you get in this one. Thought that was really cute. And now on to Halloween. Shared this on my Instagram. $1.49 because it is a My Mind's Eye brand. It's called Something Wicked. Double-sided papers. These papers are gorgeous. Look at that cat. Look at one of them have a mask on. Buffoonery. One of these kids is doing their own thing. That's what that made me think of. Treated pages. Some of them. Cute. Look at that one. I love that page. This skeleton with the glasses. So yes, this is an awesome deal for $1.49. And it just repeats. Uh-oh. I love that page. How cool that is. So yep, $1.49. You can get your hands on that. Get that. Next, found these today. Some brads. Here's the number for that. And it's just some Halloween brads. Next, found the Beautiful Night collection, $1.99, with these pretty colors.
Ready. The movie is colored.
Y'all hear Alexa? There she go with her stalking ass. Here's the number for this. These are some thickers. What did she say? Alexa be stalking me. Trying to make it under 15, y'all. Here's another pack of thickers. And these are just words. Really cute. So I hope y'all have a good weekend. I'm sure I will not be doing any more videos. I will try to hit up Tuesday mornings in Dallas. And of course, can I go to Dallas without going to Daiso? So looking forward to that as usual. So y'all have a good weekend. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I truly, truly appreciate you all. Go follow me over there on Instagram, and make sure you tune into my IGTVs. If IGTV take over YouTube or like do ads and stuff where you can make a couple coins, then guess what? YouTube is in trouble. But y'all have a good time. Have a good weekend, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.